Hey sweeties! Welcome back to Hazel Faith TV's Kikay Kit. I've been really busy with the renewed album, but today, something came in the mail and I can't wait to try it out. So you sweeties are very aware of my skin's condition and super sensitivity. So my usual routine talaga is very simple. But Careline Skin, Ever Organics, and Hello Glow suggested some of their choice products to add to my routine. Let's check them out. Step 1. Careline Skin Micellar Water. It's important to remind you, sweeties, that whenever using products, always check the label. Careline Skin Micellar Water contains salicylic acid to help with blackheads and pores, and Centella asiatica, did I say that right? That calms skin redness. Now, I just thought micellar cleansers are for removing makeup, but Careline says that micellar water is actually very effective in keeping impurities clear, and as a double cleansing method to prepare skin for the next cleansing step. My thoughts? It leaves the skin feeling cool. Cool like winter cool. Now for step 2, cleanser. So really quick, I'm just gonna wash my face and get into those pesky corners. And then step 3 would be using my toner. Okay, step 4 is Careline Primer Sheet Mask. According to Careline, this is originally designed for prepping skin for makeup, hence primer sheet mask. But it can also be used for both morning or night. And it comes in watermelon and lemon, both containing hyaluronic acid, which makes it extremely hydrating. The one I'm using is lemon because it's rich in vitamin C for brightening effect. And it really surprised me. I did not expect it to be this cute! Okay, so it says to let the sheet mask stay on the face for 5 to 10 minutes and then massage the remaining serum until it's fully absorbed. So I'm just gonna set my timer to 10 minutes and then just relax. Looking like I have a real life filter on my face. Adorable. I wonder what the watermelon one looks like. It's supposed to be rich in watermelon extract, allantoin for extra moisture. Oop, time's up. Time to take the little lemons off my face. I'll miss you, little lemon. That was fun. And finally, step 5. Ever Organics Soothing Gel Papaya. Ever Organics Papaya Soothing Gel contains papaya extract, aloe vera, niacinamide, did I say that right? And hyaluronic acid. It's a whitening soothing gel that calms red marks, and apparently, Ever Organics pa lang ang meron nito. It smells nice and feels cool to the skin. This can be applied on both face and body, but I'll apply it only on my face ngayon kasi I'm gonna use something else for my body. A little goes a long way, so just so you know. And finally, step 6. Hello Glow Citronella Body Lotion. Rainy seasons means more mosquitoes. So Hello Glow has their Citronella Body Lotion to keep our lovely selves protected. It was nice to find out too that this lotion is free from harmful chemicals and it uses only natural plant extracts like citronella and peppermint to keep those pesky mosquitoes away. It also has vitamin C, vitamin E, and aloe vera. And it smells just like the citronella plants that we used to have here. Used to. I'm not a plantita, I guess. So there you go, that's my review of these 4 products from Hello Glow, Ever Organics, and Careline Skin. And if you have any more questions about the product, check the description below for links to their social medias. Thank you! Stay sweet!